Deal. Good morning and welcome to the island of Kerrera. Me and Scott got the 10 o'clock ferry crossing just south of Oban and came across. It's just got up to 11 o'clock and it's an absolute beautiful place. Obviously you'll see by the footage with a wee bit of hailstones and rain coming on the ferry, but it's cleared up nice. It's looking really good. We're going to head down to, I think it's Gylen Castle. It's called. Do a Wildcamp here on the island tonight and head back tomorrow. So the weather at the minute is looking good. The forecast was supposed to be good, but you never know. You never know. We'll see what happens. We're on the coast, right on the coast we're going to be, so we'll just see what happens. Right, that's the first look at the castle, and that's the tea room there. So we're going to go and set up camp first, then we're going to come back and get a brew. Sun's out. Ideal, eh? Right, this could be the spot. Not too shabby at all. Plenty of room for multiple tents. That would be the view. Castle's just up there. We're going to go up and have a wee look round about the castle. And then probably come down and get a tent set up. Then we'll go and get a brew. There you go guys, that is the digs for tonight. So that's the fridge for the night. Just down in there, in the shade, just in the water down there. It's cold wind, but isn't it?
It's a bit windy, isn't it?
Yeah. No mate, no. Well, the cargo is still there.
Cheers, Mucker.
Cheers, mate. Cheers. Amazing. Ah, it is. Guys, show you my setup for the night. We're in the Acto and for the mat, X-Bed down mat, Decathlon pillow, Sarah Designs belt. Still on the sort of 4-season kit. It's lovely now, but it will get cold again.
Don't split your head open. Oh. Smile.
Yes! Right troops, 6 o'clock. It's time for dinner. And on the menu tonight, we've got real tarmac, tikka masala. What are you eating, Kate?
I have got chili con carne with rice.
Chili con carne, Expedition Foods. Wow, we're in. Same time.
For once.
That's a wee Irish hot chocolate.
Is it?
Irish mocha.
Is it?
Aye.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Is that
pal.
got whiskey in it too? Aye.
Yeah.
For fuck's sakes, what is? I could smell it before I drank it.
It's alright, Barnett.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
Cheers, mocha.
I'm not
It's your
sure,
trip.
mate.
Where do you want to
It's
go?
not my trip.
It's your trip.
Well, you go there.
It's your trip, mate. It's your trip.
I'm not sure, mate. I think the views are better for there.
Right, troops, here we go. Chicken tikka masala. Time is up. 8 minutes are up. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, that is dynamite. Right, that main meal, absolutely fantastic. We're going to go for Expedition Foods custard with mixed berries. Wee pudding tonight. It's a lovely night for a pudding, yeah. Right, here we go. Expedition Foods custard, mixed berries. Oh, superb, sweet, very sweet.
No.
Always ends up mad windy up here, doesn't it?
Aye. I can't feel it as much because of the
It's mad windy, isn't it? Right lads, that's us. It's time for bed. It's 20 past 10. Been a great day. Absolutely fantastic. Enjoyed it. Cracking scenery. Wee bit of fishing done. Never caught nothing. It'd have been nice if we got a wee pollock or something, but no, it wasn't to be. So yeah, all in all, so far a great trip. Yeah, so as I say, head down the night and bit of breakfast, packed away and head for the ferry back to the open. So catch you in the morning, guys. Good night. Good morning. It's 5 to 6 and you join me having my morning coffee. Great sleep last night. The weather was absolutely fantastic. Woke up about 3 o'clock for the toilet. Apart from that, it was fine. Temperatures got really cold, but in the tent it was nice and warm. So sun's just about to come up. You see it starting to come up there. So yeah, get some breakfast and then get packed up and we'll get away. Ready to go. That's where my tent was last night. That's where Scott's tent was. All rubbish that's been took away. Leave no trace has been applied. Great trip. We're just going to go and try and catch this. It's 7:15. I think the first ferry's at 25 past 8. So it never feels lighter. It never feels lighter. that's us back on that wee ferry trip there. That's absolutely ideal. Stats for the hike, we were 10.2k, so there is a loop you can do on the island, but we just went and came back the same way. Cracking trip, thoroughly enjoyed it, really good. Aye, the weather has to turn. It's a pity that the weather's to turn. It's been beautiful. We were midge free, rain free. We got a wee bit of hail on the way on the ferry, but well, when we pitched, not a drop of rain. Dry, some high winds and that, but that was okay. But actually, we're waiting on the ferry there, starting to get some midges out. But the weather's to turn this afternoon. Yeah, a bit of a mixed bag. I think it's thunderstorms and that tomorrow, so we really knocked it off with the weather. So I'm going to sign off here. If you've managed to watch this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.